want to make one of my favorite recipes ever, and that's just simple buttermilk biscuits. The trick to a nice, tender, fluffy biscuit is to not overwork the dough. The more you work the dough, the more gluten you develop. And a certain amount of gluten is good for a biscuit. It gives it structure, it gives it lift, but too much working will start making it feel and taste more like bread and less like biscuits.
Got some bacon going. Getting ready to put some Boudin on. And some bacon Boudin biscuits. Say bon.
Boudin has become the darling of the Cajun food culture over the last 5 to 10 years. It's a perfect road snack and can be found hot and ready to eat in almost any gas station in South Louisiana.
And we just love it for breakfast. We love it for any meal, but for breakfast especially.
A perfect link of Boudin is a thing of beauty, tightly packed within a hog casing, textures and flavors of local rice and pork liver, ready to burst out and release their aromas of cayenne pepper and green onions.
The biscuits have been baking for now 15 minutes. They look great. They're just slightly golden. We're going to brush a little butter on top, but they are ready to go.
As Louisianans, we were raised around this idea that whatever we hunt, whatever we catch, whatever we trap, we eat. There's something full circle. There's some unspoken connectedness when it comes to harvesting your own birds, consuming them right in that same area where y'all both live. As a Louisianian, as a waterfowler, as a professional chef, there's no greater joy than better go harvest your own waterfowl and ducks in this case, and better cook a meal with that. You're getting the epitome of fresh and wild and sustainable through that game.